Today we're in the Port Streets neighborhood of Newport Beach, and one thing I love about the Port Streets, it is known to be the most kid-friendly neighborhood in all of Newport. The other thing that's really cool is back in the 1950s, people would pay $1 to go to a nearby bison ranch to check out all the buffalo. Now something tells me that's where they got the name Bison Avenue nearby. Now the other thing is that when Irvine Company built these homes years ago, they built 6 different models. There's about 1,000 homes in the development, and one of the residents actually called this Beaver Cleaverland. Now, for those of you who aren't old enough what that means, basically she's talking about the magical feel of the whole Port Streets, which is like a Leave It to Beaver neighborhood. So it's really cool. There's a lot of different things to do here. They have a pool, a community center. Now, as of today, there are about 6 homes for sale, listed anywhere between $3.1 million and $8.5 million. So if you'd like to check out the Port Streets or anything for sale in here, give me a ring or DM me.